that there?
Yeah.
There was boat.
Yeah.
You catch them?
Yeah, we catch him funny.
Get out here.
So what happened to that house?
Huh?
So what happened?
Abandoned?
It burned.
So it's just abandoned?
You know?
It's abandoned? Nobody is gonna
Yes,
take
you know, it's...
Oh,
You know him?
yeah.
You know him attack on the way.
Yeah.
We don't can't get that deal with kind of food. What's that? I read them a sport today.
Yeah.
And they boat them quiet for the water here.
Yeah.
Tropical Blue Lagoon is on the top. Up there. Way on the hill, yeah.
Way up there, you see that like I heard something. And we down there in the water. Chill little. That's all nice when you done. We up in the top of this side.
This is the lagoon, you know, it's 65 meter deep.
Oh, they found it
No
because of
crocodiles, no
measurements.
snakes. And this is where they do the movie Club Paradise, the Lord of the Flight with Brooke Shield. Nobody's around. That place is locked up, boy.
Tropics Lagoon Bar, locked up.